As you get older, especially after 60, many people begin turning to natural remedies to support their health. Turmeric is often one of the first choices. It's praised for helping with joint discomfort, improving circulation, supporting memory, and protecting the heart. And in many ways, it truly is one of nature's most valuable healing spices. But there's something most people never hear about. Certain everyday foods can interfere with turmeric so badly that your body barely benefits from it at all. That means you could be drinking turmeric tea every morning, adding it to smoothies, or taking expensive supplements, yet still wondering why your stiffness hasn't improved, your energy feels low, or your focus isn't getting better. The problem may not be the turmeric itself. The real issue could be what you're eating alongside it. Millions of people start their day with golden milk, turmeric coffee blends, wellness shots, or capsules believing they're helping their body heal naturally. And turmeric absolutely has the potential to do that. But when it's mixed with the wrong ingredients, its healing compounds can become weak, blocked, or difficult for the body to absorb. The good news is you don't need stronger supplements or more pills. Often, simple food changes are enough to help turmeric work the way it's supposed to. Once you understand how it behaves inside the body, you can unlock far more of its natural benefits and give your joints, brain, heart, and immune system the support they've been missing. So before you take another sip of that turmeric latte or stir turmeric into your breakfast, pay close attention. In the next few minutes, we're going to uncover 3 very common foods that quietly reduce turmeric's effectiveness. And one of them is probably sitting in your kitchen right now. After the age of 60, the body naturally begins to function differently. You may notice your joints feel stiff when you first wake up. Digestion may become slower or more sensitive. You might forget little things more often or feel tired faster than you once did. These changes are common with aging, but they're also signs that your body now needs more support and better nourishment than before. That's why so many older adults begin searching for gentler, more natural ways to stay healthy instead of relying only on medications. Among all the natural options available, turmeric has earned a strong reputation because it's simple, familiar, and backed by centuries of traditional use. For thousands of years, cultures around the world have used turmeric both as a spice and as a healing remedy. It's known for helping calm inflammation, easing soreness in the joints, supporting circulation, protecting the heart, and even helping maintain sharper thinking as we age. The main reason turmeric is so powerful comes from a natural compound called curcumin. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its rich golden color, and it's also the part responsible for many of its health benefits. It acts as a natural anti-inflammatory compound that helps reduce the ongoing internal stress and inflammation that slowly wear the body down over time. But here's the problem most people never realize. Curcumin is incredibly difficult for the body to absorb. In fact, under normal conditions, only a tiny percentage actually makes it into the bloodstream. The rest may simply pass through the body unused. So, even if you take turmeric every single day, your body may still not be getting enough of its active healing compounds to make a real difference. And certain foods can make this problem even worse by preventing curcumin from being absorbed properly. That's why the foods you combine with turmeric matter just as much as turmeric itself. The wrong combination can weaken its effects dramatically, while the right one can make it far more effective for reducing inflammation, improving circulation, and supporting healthy aging. One of the biggest hidden mistakes is processed dairy. Many people mix turmeric into cheesy eggs, sweetened yogurt, flavored coffee creamers, or creamy lattes without realizing these combinations may actually reduce turmeric's effectiveness inside the body. Processed dairy products such as American cheese, flavored yogurts, powdered creamers, and packaged cheese blends often contain additives, stabilizers, emulsifiers, and concentrated milk proteins. These substances can interfere with curcumin by binding to it and making it harder for the body to absorb. Instead of entering your bloodstream and helping calm inflammation, much of the turmeric may simply move through your digestive system without being fully used. And after 60, this becomes even more important because digestion naturally slows down with age. The stomach produces less acid, digestive enzymes become weaker, and the body has a harder time absorbing nutrients efficiently. Foods that once caused no issues may now create bloating, sluggish digestion, or poor nutrient absorption without you even noticing it. That means combining turmeric with heavily processed dairy can make it even harder for your body to access the very benefits you're hoping to receive. When you combine turmeric with heavily processed dairy products, it can create the exact opposite effect you were hoping for. Instead of supporting digestion and reducing inflammation, it may leave you feeling bloated, sluggish, and uncomfortable. The good news is, you don't have to give up creamy or comforting foods completely. You simply need to choose versions that work better with your body and allow turmeric to do its job properly. A simple switch can make a big difference. Instead of flavored creamers or processed milk products, try using unsweetened almond milk, oat milk, or coconut milk. These options are much gentler on digestion and don't contain the same additives that can interfere with turmeric absorption. They also create a rich, smooth texture that works perfectly in warm drinks and smoothies. If yogurt is part of your routine, choose plain Greek yogurt without added sugars or artificial flavors. Then customize it naturally with berries, cinnamon, or a little raw honey. These ingredients support digestion and work alongside turmeric rather than blocking its benefits. Small changes like these help keep inflammation lower, digestion calmer, and nutrient absorption more efficient. Now let's move to another hidden issue that quietly weakens turmeric inside the body: vinegar-heavy foods. Most people never think twice about vinegar because it's found in so many everyday items. Salad dressings, ketchup, mustard, pickles, coleslaw, and packaged sauces all contain large amounts of it. These foods seem harmless, even healthy at times, but when they're combined with turmeric, they can reduce curcumin stability before your body even gets the chance to absorb it. Curcumin is delicate. It needs the right digestive environment to remain stable long enough to enter the bloodstream. Highly acidic foods, especially those loaded with vinegar, can break curcumin down too quickly. It's almost like watching something valuable disappear before it ever has the chance to help you. For older adults, this matters even more because many people over 60 already deal with acid reflux, heartburn, gastritis, or sensitive digestion. Mixing turmeric with acidic foods can sometimes worsen discomfort and leave you wondering why your stomach feels irritated even when you're trying to eat healthy. You may think adding turmeric to a salad dressing is a smart wellness habit, but if that dressing is packed with vinegar, the turmeric may lose much of its effectiveness before your body can benefit from it. Thankfully, the solution is simple. Instead of store-bought vinegar dressings, make a turmeric-friendly version at home. Use extra virgin olive oil as the base, add a small squeeze of fresh lemon, and finish it with freshly cracked black pepper. Olive oil provides healthy fats that help curcumin dissolve properly, while black pepper dramatically improves absorption. This combination supports the body instead of working against it. You still get flavor and freshness, but without interfering with turmeric's healing properties. And if you enjoy pickles or vinegar-based foods, you don't necessarily need to remove them completely. Just avoid eating them at the same time as turmeric. Separating them by a few hours gives your digestive system time to settle and helps turmeric absorb more effectively. These small adjustments can have a surprisingly powerful effect. When digestion becomes calmer and turmeric is finally absorbed properly, many people begin noticing more stable energy, less stiffness, and a lighter feeling after meals. Now let's talk about another major mistake that quietly cancels out turmeric's benefits: refined sugar and processed carbohydrates. A lot of people start their mornings with cereal, pastries, muffins, or sweet baked goods while also trying to include turmeric in their routine. Maybe it's a turmeric latte with a donut or turmeric added to breakfast cereal. But here's the problem. Turmeric and refined sugar send completely opposite signals throughout the body. Curcumin tells the body to calm inflammation, repair tissues, and support healing. Sugar does the reverse. It raises blood glucose quickly, increases insulin spikes, and encourages inflammatory reactions that stress the body. So, while turmeric is trying to cool inflammation down, sugar is fueling it at the same time. The body receives conflicting messages, and turmeric's natural benefits become much less effective. After 60, this becomes an even bigger issue because the body processes sugar less efficiently with age. Metabolism slows, insulin sensitivity drops, and blood sugar stays elevated longer than it once did. Even small amounts of refined sugar can contribute to joint stiffness, low energy, brain fog, and inflammation. Ironically, those are the exact problems turmeric is supposed to help improve. The solution isn't about strict dieting or giving up everything you enjoy. It's about replacing processed sugars with more natural, nourishing choices. Instead of sugary cereals, try oatmeal or overnight oats with chia seeds, banana slices, berries, and a small amount of turmeric. Add a drizzle of raw honey if you want a little sweetness. This creates a breakfast that supports stable energy and works with your body instead of against it. If you enjoy bread or baked foods, choose whole grain options and pair them with healthy fats, like almond butter. A light sprinkle of turmeric and cinnamon on top creates a warming combination that supports digestion and keeps blood sugar more balanced. Even in baking, simple substitutions help. Using small amounts of maple syrup or coconut sugar instead of refined white sugar can reduce the inflammatory impact while still giving foods a satisfying taste. These little changes may sound simple, but they can completely change how your body responds to turmeric. When inflammation is no longer constantly triggered by processed foods and sugar, your cells become more responsive. Turmeric can finally begin doing the work it was meant to do. Many people notice that their joints feel less stiff, their digestion becomes smoother, and their mental clarity improves once they stop combining turmeric with foods that weaken its effects. The truth is simple. Even natural remedies lose their power when paired with ingredients that cancel them out. Processed dairy, vinegar-heavy foods, and refined sugars may seem harmless, but together they can quietly block turmeric from helping your body the way it should. But once you remove those obstacles, turmeric becomes much more effective at supporting circulation, reducing inflammation, and helping the body maintain balance as it ages. And now comes the most exciting part. Certain foods don't just protect turmeric's benefits, they dramatically strengthen them. One of the most powerful combinations is turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains a natural compound called piperine, and this compound acts like a key that unlocks turmeric's full potential. Studies have shown that piperine can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That means your body can finally hold on to curcumin long enough to actually use it. Normally, the body breaks curcumin down very quickly and removes it before much reaches the bloodstream. Piperine slows this process down just enough to allow curcumin to travel throughout the body more effectively, reaching the joints, heart, brain, and other tissues where support is needed most. That's why black pepper is so important. It's not just there for flavor. It transforms turmeric into something far more bioavailable and useful inside the body. And you don't need much. Even a small pinch of freshly ground black pepper can make a noticeable difference. One simple daily habit is warming a cup of almond milk or oat milk with turmeric and a dash of black pepper. Add a little raw honey if desired, and you have a comforting drink that helps your body absorb turmeric far more efficiently. You can also combine turmeric and black pepper in savory meals like soups, roasted vegetables, or eggs. Warm foods help activate curcumin, while black pepper improves how much your body can actually absorb. Freshly ground pepper works best because it contains higher levels of piperine compared to pre-ground versions that may have lost potency over time. Another essential partner for turmeric is healthy fat. Curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it needs fat in order to move through the digestive system and enter the bloodstream properly. Without fat, much of it simply passes through the body unused. But when turmeric is paired with healthy fats, curcumin binds to those fats and travels much more efficiently throughout the body. Think of healthy fat as the delivery system that carries turmeric exactly where it needs to go. Olive oil is one of the best choices because it's rich in antioxidants and naturally supports heart health. When combined with turmeric, it creates a powerful partnership that supports inflammation control, circulation, brain function, and healthy aging overall. Healthy fats are another important piece of the puzzle when it comes to getting the full benefit from turmeric. Foods like avocados and avocado oil are excellent choices because they're rich in heart-healthy fats and naturally creamy, making them easy to include in everyday meals. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are also powerful companions for turmeric because they provide healthy omega-3 fats that support both brain and heart function as we age. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines can also work beautifully alongside turmeric. These foods help nourish the body while reducing inflammation, creating the ideal environment for curcumin to do its work. Adding these combinations into your daily routine is easier than most people think. In the morning, you can cook eggs in olive oil and sprinkle in turmeric with a little freshly ground black pepper while everything is still warm. At lunch, if you're making soup or stew, stir turmeric in near the end of cooking and add a spoonful of olive oil or coconut milk. The warmth helps curcumin blend into the healthy fats, making it easier for your body to absorb. In the evening, a warm golden drink made with coconut milk and turmeric can be incredibly soothing before bed. It's comforting, calming, and naturally anti-inflammatory. This is the difference between turmeric simply passing through your body and turmeric actually becoming part of your healing process. Once curcumin has healthy fats to carry it, it can finally reach the joints, heart, brain, and tissues where your body needs support the most. Now let's talk about another natural ingredient that pairs beautifully with turmeric, raw honey. If black pepper unlocks turmeric's strength and healthy fats help transport it through the body, raw honey helps the body accept turmeric in a gentler and more balanced way. It softens turmeric's earthy flavor while also bringing its own healing properties into the mix. Real raw honey is very different from the heavily processed honey commonly found on supermarket shelves. Raw honey is usually thicker, cloudier, and sometimes even crystallized. Because it hasn't been heavily heated or stripped of its nutrients, it still contains natural enzymes, antioxidants, and beneficial compounds that support the immune system and help calm inflammation. When combined with turmeric, raw honey not only improves the experience of taking it daily, but also helps create a soothing effect throughout the digestive system and body. Together, turmeric and raw honey form a calming combination. Turmeric works to quiet inflammation, while honey helps comfort and restore the body naturally. It's a simple pairing that supports healing without feeling harsh or overwhelming. One easy way to use them is to mix half a teaspoon of turmeric with a teaspoon of raw honey in warm water or herbal tea. Stir slowly and sip it while warm. The heat helps curcumin dissolve, while the honey releases its natural enzymes and soothing compounds. Many people find this drink comforting for digestion, stiff joints, sore throats, and even restless evenings when the body feels tense or unsettled. Another traditional option is making a simple golden paste. Just combine turmeric powder with raw honey until it forms a thick mixture, then store it in a small glass jar. You can take a spoonful daily or stir it into warm milk or tea. This old remedy has been used for generations to support immunity, reduce inflammation, and help the body stay balanced naturally. If you try this, make sure the honey is truly raw. Processed honey is often heated at high temperatures to keep it smooth and clear for store shelves, but that process removes many of the beneficial nutrients that make honey valuable in the first place. Raw honey, especially the cloudy or lightly crystallized kind, still contains the living compounds your body can recognize and use. Think of these combinations as a team working together inside your body. Black pepper acts like the key that unlocks turmeric's power. Healthy fats become the vehicle that carries it through your system. And raw honey helps the body receive it in a calm and soothing way. Together, they turn turmeric from a simple kitchen spice into a much more effective natural wellness tool. The best part is that none of this requires expensive supplements or complicated routines. These are small daily adjustments anyone can make. And over time, those small choices begin to add up. You may notice your joints feel less stiff in the morning. Your energy may become steadier throughout the day. Your thinking may feel clearer and your digestion calmer. That's the beauty of supporting the body naturally. Healing doesn't always come from doing something extreme. Often, it comes from giving the body the right conditions to function the way it was designed to. The most important thing to remember is this: even healthy foods lose their value when they're used the wrong way. Turmeric can be incredibly powerful, but only when your body is actually able to absorb and use it properly. If you've been taking turmeric consistently but haven't noticed much improvement, it doesn't necessarily mean turmeric failed. It may simply mean that certain foods in your daily routine have been interfering with its effectiveness. Once you understand what weakens turmeric and what strengthens it, everything changes. Avoiding processed dairy, heavy vinegar-based foods, and refined sugar can help protect turmeric's healing potential. Processed dairy can interfere with curcumin absorption. Vinegar-heavy foods may break it down too quickly. Refined sugar increases inflammation and works directly against turmeric's calming effects. On the other hand, combining turmeric with black pepper, healthy fats, and raw honey helps your body absorb and use curcumin far more effectively. Black pepper dramatically boosts absorption. Healthy fats help transport curcumin through the body. Raw honey adds soothing support while helping create balance from within. When turmeric is used this way, many people notice smoother digestion, steadier energy, improved comfort in the joints, and better overall balance in how they feel day to day. And the best part is that you don't need to change your entire lifestyle overnight. Start with one simple adjustment at a time. Add black pepper to your turmeric tea. Replace processed creamer with almond milk. Choose raw honey instead of refined sugar. These may seem like small decisions, but over time they help restore the body's natural ability to heal and maintain balance. That's what using food as medicine is really about. Not perfection, not strict rules. Just small, intelligent choices that support your body instead of working against it. Every meal becomes an opportunity to nourish yourself, protect your health, and support healthy aging naturally. Turmeric isn't magic and it's not an overnight cure. What it does offer is gentle support for the body when it's paired with the right habits and the right foods. Each small choice you make sends your body an important message. It still knows how to heal. A pinch of black pepper in your turmeric drink, olive oil instead of processed fats, raw honey instead of sugar. These simple habits quietly help restore balance, strength, and vitality over time. You don't need to change everything all at once. Just begin with one small step today and let your body build from there naturally.